day.
Yeah.
I'd just like to do. You'd never guess who I got in the shed today. Only Paddy McGuinness or only Colin Firth.
Feel like you're reporting if you like. Feel like you're reporting if you like.
Okay, well, as you can see, we are sneakers on here. What you can see, we are.
Okay, well, as you can see,
36 mile an hour, is it? 37 mile an hour here. Now the power matches and climb up to and just keeps going, pulling strong all the way up to the top, where it maintains a nice flat 11 horsepower. Bit of a peak there where it just goes up to another half horsepower. I think we could probably correct this line here with a new belt, still running on a 5,000 mile old belt. But as you see, it continues to make power, it carries on going right up to about 60 mile an hour, which is here. And at 60 mile an hour it's making 8 brake horsepower, whereas the other standard setup, you're looking at 38 mile an hour, so 37 mile an hour there. Let's check that for sure. 35.8 mile an hour, which is where it's hitting now. You see we've had a late session in here. Barrow speed has been put through its paces initially. Still a lot more to come from this machine. But the results so far, pretty good. So what have we got on there? Right, we've got a Top Racing big reed valve manifold. That's been blended and flowed into the crankcases. We've slimmed down the bridge which goes underneath the transfer on these engines. We've put some new reed petals at 0.35 because the originals on the reed block are just a little bit on the thick side, being 0.45. We've got a Pliny variator on there with 6.6 gram rollers, PM tuning, clutch bell, and adjustable race clutch. We've got the 21mm PHBG carburettor and the PM tuning 14% gear up kit. Now this has got a standard CDI box on it which has been delimited, but it's still hitting 9,500 RPM before the rev limiter kicks in. So we've got the rev limiter to change on this because we need to make the rollers a little bit lighter, which means that the peak power will go up a little bit, or shift the peak power up, should I say. So it's a little bit more work to be done there. But yeah, so far it's looking very promising.